Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I won a Saturday Night Live with Liller. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. Welcome back, girl. Welcome back, Lily. Whew, I'm out of breath. I had to climb the stairs to get up here. Anyway, yeah, I was just doing my beading or my paper beads, and I had to leave and come back, so just excuse the little mess that I got going on right here. And let's see what we won. Ah, she got it. Ooh, so cute. Look at what she did. Okay, here's my little card from Miss Lily. Christmas. Most wonderful time of the year, which is every year for me, every day of the week. Okay, I'm sorry. Stop being silly. Hi, Eileen. Thank you for your constant support. Oh, thank you, Lily. Thank you, my dear. And I greatly appreciate it. I love your lives. I'm so glad you're back. And this is the prize right here. Oh my God, I don't want to I don't want to open this. Guess what? I'm going to open the bottom, because then I could save the top, and then all I have to do is restitch the bottom if I want to use it. Isn't this lovely? This was back in Christmas, but my girl's been quite busy, which I do not mind at all. Look at this beautiful shred. I love the way she packed this one. Look at this. Silly elf. Ooh, that's the snow. Yeah, that's that snow pen that she had. So look, this is the snow pen right here. Ooh, it feels so soft. It's soft, actually. Look at that. She made the little rosette. And here we have the little car. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. She put the snow on this one too. Very merry. Super cool. Oh my gosh, I love this. And on that live, when she was on there, another live I think it was, she was making the rosettes. And look, my darling shared with me. Yes. Sorry, I don't sing that well, but look at her beautiful rosettes. I don't have a die cutting machine, okay? So every time I see her using these rosette rosette dies, I love it. Look at that. Oh, and I love the gold centers. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Thank you, Lily. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at that. Gorgeous. Thank you, my dear. I appreciate it. Guys, go check out Lily. She's Crafting with Liller here on YouTube and on Instagram and on Facebook. So go go check her out. Show her some love. I'm gonna put this shred right back into this little pouch thing because it's so cute. And I love it. And it's thick. It's sturdy. Love that. Alrighty, guys. Love you. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Thumbs up this video. Bye.